What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Dash Lifestyle. Kindly for watching me for the first time, remember to subscribe, like, share and also comment. So today we have an amazing video. As you can see, this is our ingredients. We have banana, this one is beans, we have sweet potatoes, and we have fire on the other side. So this is our boiling water. You can see this is our jiko and the charcoal. So this is sweet potatoes. You can see how they are. What do we call this? They are being peeled. So guys, our first process is to put our sweet potatoes inside the boiling water. Water. Very careful. So for it to boil very fast, we need to cover so that it can boil very fast. And we need to add the charcoal. You can see. So this one, it is black beans. This is black beans. This is how it looks like. You can see it is not the common beans. These one are black beans with sweet bananas. Not sweet bananas, these are bananas. The sweet bananas, they are very small. Yeah. So guys, this is our black beans, and we have our bottle soda. It is called Fanta. So this bottle you want to crush. You want to crush these beans, black beans, like this. Take all these, yeah, so that we can crush our black beans.
It smells so sweet.
Yeah. So guys, we have already boiled our sweet potatoes here, and right now we are adding banana. Yeah, these are bananas. So we're adding them. These are salt.
We add salt.
Salt. Let it boil. So our black beans, it is already been crushed and it is ready. Removing the sweet potatoes together with banana. we are putting them to our black beans. We are putting them to our black beans. You can see they have already boiled, and also it has changed the color. So guys, we want to crush our sweet potatoes so that it can mix with black beans. You can see, yeah, this is how we do it. But you should be very careful, you cannot break the basin. This is a Mukimo. It is a Kikuyu's tribe traditional food. So if you want to take more of this Mukimo, you should go to the central. You should go to the central part of Kenya. You will find more of this Mukimo. Hey. So guys, our Mukimo, I think it is ready. You can see it has mixed together with beans, with banana and sweet potatoes. So this is our final result. I think it is ready. Let me taste. I have a spoon here. I can show them my spoon. So this is my spoon. I want to taste it. I feel like sitting down and start eating. So Mukimo, it is ready.